Out planting soybeans. I think it's Monday evening, seems like anyways. I had a brief shower today, just enough to be annoying, chase us out of the field for a while, but didn't do a whole lot. Right there's a bean. These, pretty much all the seed anymore has a treatment on it. That's why these are blue. Helps a lot with this has I think inoculant on it, and a lot of insecticides and stuff like that. And I think the corn has stuff for like corn borer and rootworm and stuff like that. Saves a lot of spraying for us farmers. We used to grow a lot of dry beans in the area, and we used to have to spray for leaf hoppers all the time with those things, and they come up with a seed treatment finally, and we quit all the spraying. It's saved a lot. So our farm is over here. Over on this side is my parents' place, so hopefully the wind isn't too bad here. When my parents got married, they built the house, the white house over there, and lived in that, I think until I was like 4 years old. And then we swapped with my grandparents who were at the farm at the time. And then I think the year that Brittany, our daughter, was born, our oldest daughter, my grandpa passed away. And then shortly after that, my grandma moved down with my uncle and aunt to Ohio. They had put a apartment on their house. So then me and Sandra and the kids moved here to the White House, and my parents were at the farm. And then when we started milking cows, I think our kids were just getting ready to go to school. Maybe Brittany was in school, I think. And then we swapped again to the farm, and our parents are at the house here where they started out at, and probably our youngest son will end up doing the same cycle again with Trent, I imagine, if the world still stands. So it's kind of the cycle of life here on the farm. We've been back and forth between these properties since my grandpa and grandma bought this place when they were in their 20s, I think. Got the seed wagon down at the other end of the field there. I got an auger on that wagon. It's on the other side. You can't really see from here. Dump those plastic totes of seed into the wagon. It takes a lot more soybean seed than it does corn seed, so it's a lot faster to fill with an auger out of the wagon than to throw all the bags, so it makes it handier. We'll jump across the road tomorrow where the tractor's sitting and plant that field around my parents' place over there, down to the other road over there where you can see the stop sign. So all right, talk to you later.
We get our soybean seeds in these large totes instead of individual bags. So Al takes and transfers them to our grain cart, which you can then take to the field, and you can fill the planter from there. It saves a lot of time. We also don't have the excess of the paper bags to deal with afterwards.
planting soybeans again. I don't know if you can see, my windows are kind of dirty here, but I'm not sure how these seagulls know. But as soon as we start working down in the spring, the seagulls all come from the lake out here. Must be the smell. That's the only thing I can figure, because if you're running a tractor doing other things, they won't come out. But as soon as you start working down in the spring, they'll come out. And sometimes the field will just be white with them sometimes. Well, it's another nice day here. Trent, our youngest son, he's here helping us work down for a number of days. It's supposed to rain tomorrow evening. Hopefully we get most of the beans in. I don't know if we'll quite get done or not. It'd be nice if we would, but I'm not sure what I got. 150 to go or something, 160 maybe. So, all right, talk to you later.